Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study and in this video we are going to discuss about chapter number 13 and chapter name is needs and wants. So student, in this chapter I am going to explain about the difference between needs and want. What is need and what is want? So first of all, look at the activity which is given on page first. Let's do it. Millie's parent earn 50,000 a month. They spend one-fifth of it on rent, two-fifths of it on food and clothing, one-fifth of it on transport, school fees, and medical needs. How much money do they spend on each of these three things? So, student, you have to calculate how much money do they spend on these three things, on rent, food and clothing, and transport, school fees, and medical needs. So, first of all, Millie's parents means her parent spend one-fifth of their earning on rent. So their total earning is 50,000 a month, and he spend her parent spend one-fifth of it on rent. It means 10,000 on rent, 10,000 on rent, two-fifths of it on food and clothing. Two-fifths means 20,000 on food and clothing, 20,000 on food and clothing, and one-fifth of it transport, school fees, and medical needs. One-fifth means 10,000. So total 40,000. They spend 40,000 total on. They spend 40,000 on these three things. So look at the next paragraph. Look at the next paragraph. If they save 5,000 every month, how much money do they have left over for extra activity like eating out, going for a movie, and shopping for a fun? So student, her parent earned 50,000 a month and they spend 40,000 on needs, and he saved 5,000 every month. Then how much money do they left over for extra activities for their want? You can see for their want. So they have 5,000 for their want like eating out, going for a movie, and shopping for a fun. So student, now look at the topic. Neil was upset and angry. His mother had refused to buy him the new football boot he had seen in the shop last week. He tried one more time. So student, Neil was a name of a boy who was very upset and angry because he saw a new boot. He saw a new boot in the shop last week and he want this. He want this boot. But and he tried one more time, but his mother refused to buy him the new football boots. Ma, please listen to me. I have to buy these boots. The inter-school football tournament is coming up next week. Then Neil insists to his mother, please ma, buy those boots. I have to buy those boots, and because of the inter-school football tournament is coming up next week in my school. Next, there is nothing wrong with your old boots. Neil, we bought them just a few months ago. You played so well in the last match wearing those boots. Then her mother said, there's nothing wrong with your old boots. Your old boots was so good and we bought them just a few months ago, and you played so well in this last match, and you play so well by wearing those boots in the last match. Oh, you don't understand. I am going to ask that. Then Neil said, oh, no, ma, you don't understand. I am going to ask dad to buy the new boots. Dad was ironing Neil's uniform. Dad, will you buy me those football boots we saw in the shop last week? Our games teacher has told me to buy them. Then Neil said to his father, Dad, please buy me those football boots that we saw in the shop last week. Please buy me those football boots. Our game teacher, then Neil said, our game teacher has told me to buy the new football boots. Why? What is wrong with your old boots? Then her father asked, why? And what is the wrong with your old boots? Come on, next page. Nothing, but these are the latest model. They are better than the ones I have. Then Neil said, nothing wrong with the old boots, but these are the latest model that I have seen on the shop last week. They are better than the ones that I have. They are better than my old boots, Neil said. I am sorry. I am sorry, Neil, but we will not be able to buy them. Dia is also starting school this year. We will need to pay both your school fees. So then her father said, sorry, Neil, I will not able to buy your new boots because your sister Dia is also starting school this year and we will need to pay both your school fees. Neil started crying. He knew that if he cried long enough, his parent would give into his demand. So, student, after that, Neil started crying, and he think if he cried long time, then his parent would give it into his demand. I need the boots, I need. He wailed. His mother come into the room. She looked at his father. Then they both sat beside Neil. Neil was triumphant. Yes, tears always work, he thought. Neil cry and say, I need the boot, I need the boot. He wailed. Then his mother come into the room. And her mother looked at his father. Then they both sat at beside Neil. And Neil start crying. And yes, tear always work, he thought. Then Neil thought the tears always work. Then his mother spoke, Neil, I think it is time you understand the difference between want and need. You want football boot, but you do not need them. Then her mother said, Neil, it is a time that you should understand the difference between the need and want. And you want the football boot, but you do not need them. You want. You want means you desire to possess. You have a desire to possess a new boots, but you do not need them, the new boots. What do you mean? Sobbed Neil. Then Neil said, what do you mean, Ma? Look at the next paragraph. A need is something we cannot live without, like air, food, and water, but there are other things that we would like to have, but they are not necessary for our survival. For example, I might want a bigger house, a new car, another pair of jeans. These things are wants. We cannot live. We can live without them, his father explained. Then her mother said, a need is something that we cannot live without. So, student, need is something that is necessary and we cannot live without, like air, food, and water. But there are other things that we would like to have, but they are not necessary for our survival. For example, I might want a bigger house, new car, another pair of jeans. These things are want. So, student, want are the other things that we would like to have, but they are not necessary for our survival. You can say we can survive without wants, but we cannot survive without need. These things are want and we can live without them, his father explained. Now look at the next paragraph. Look at the next paragraph. Some of the things that we need are available for free in nature, like air and water, but for all our other need and want, we have to pay money. Your mother and I work hard to earn money. Each month we earn a certain amount of money, and we have to meet all our need and want with the money, with this money. So, and after that, her father said that some of the things that we need are available for free in nature, that air and water, and we didn't pay for air and water, but for all our other needs and want, we have to pay money. His father said, your mother and I work hard to earn money, and each month we earn a certain amount, and we earn a fixed amount of money, and with this money we have to meet all our needs and want. Look at the next paragraph. So every month we make a list of our need and want, and we put aside money for each of them. We first make sure that all our needs are met nutritious food to eat, clean clothes to wear, and comfortable house to live in. Then we look at the other necessities like your education. So student, her father said, every month we make a list of need and want, and we put aside our money for each of them. We first make sure that all our needs are met. So student, his father said, every month we make a list of need and want, and first of all i try to I try to meet all our need, and after that wants. So we put aside money for a school fees, books, uniform, school van, and petrol for our car. After all our needs are met, we can think about our wants. To understand this better, let us draw up a list of our need and our wants. So student, needs. A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. In other words, a need is something that required for a safe, stable, and healthy life. Example, air, water, food, land, and shelter are the need, and we cannot survive without need. And wants, have a desire to possess or to do something, wish for. So student, want are not necessary things, and we can survive without want. So look at the difference between the need and want. Need, air and water are the needs. Eating out are the want. Eating out are the desire, but air and water are the need. Next, nutritious food and fancy cloth. Nutritious food are the need, because without nutritious food we cannot survive, because nutritious food give us energy. And fancy cloth. So student, fancy cloth are the want, because we can survive without fancy clothes. Decent clothes, large house with several bedroom. So student, decent clothes are the needs, and a large house with several bedroom are the wants, because we can live in a one room, and a large house with a several bedroom are the wants. Next, medical care, doctor or hospital fee, medicine are the needs of a person. Jewelry and other accessories, watch, sunglasses, bracelet, chains are the wants, and we can survive without jewelry and other accessory, but we cannot survive without the medical care, doctor or hospital. Next, basic utility. Lights and fan are the basic utility, and we cannot survive without lights, and we cannot survive without fans in summer season. Next, movie. Movie are the want. We can survive without watching movie. Save some money, put away for future need and emergency. So student, saving are the needs, because you have to put some money for future needs and emergency. Latest television are the wants, because you can see any programs on a simple television. Expensive toys, video games are the wants, because a child can survive without expensive toys and video games. These are not the needs, these are wants. Some means of transport are the needs, because for travel you have to need a means of transport. Smartphone are the wants. Basic means of communication like a telephone. So student, basic means of communication like telephone are the needs, but laptop are not the need, these are the want. Latest car and bike are not the need, these are wants. Air conditioner are not the needs, these are wants. Trips to foreign country are the wants. We can survive without the latest car, bikes, air conditioner, trips to foreign country, because these are not the need, these are the want. These, these are the desire to possess or to something wish for are called wants. So student, these are the difference between the needs and want, and I hope you all are understood about the needs and wants, and you have to read and learn about the needs and want, chapter number 13. So that's all, and thank you.